Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can buy meme coins on Uniswap. So first you wanna go to this website app.uniswap.org. You wanna make sure to log in your account or get your Uniswap wallet. Or if you have MetaMask or Ronin wallet, make sure you connect them. I will connect my MetaMask. Okay. Okay. And there we go. So we have now connected our MetaMask. Make sure you connect your wallet. Make sure to connect your wallet here, and then here you can swap anything you want. So Binance coin, continue, and we can select a meme token we want. For example, Pepe. I could buy a Pepe coin here. See, you might have USDT on this part, and you want to buy some Pepe or any other meme coins, and just input any number you want. So yeah, you have now officially know how to swap or buy meme coins on Uniswap.